Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about the best 11 of all time between India and Australia in one-day internationals. Australia and India are the two biggest titans of world cricket. It is not easy to choose an all-time 11, and yet here are the players who made it to our 11. Adam Gilchrist. Adam Gilchrist is one of the most destructive opening batsmen the world has ever seen. His effortless stroke play and his big hitting skills made him a legend of this game. He was also one of the best wicket keepers in the world during his time, and this makes him our first pick and also our wicket keeper. Sachin Tendulkar. The Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar is still one of the best ODI batsmen the world has ever seen, with numerous world records to his name, including the record for the highest career runs in ODI and the first man to score a 200 in an ODI match. He has proved why he is called the god of cricket over the many years that he has played. This makes him our second pick. Virat Kohli. King Kohli has been a dominant batsman in ODI cricket. Ever since his debut, he has almost 12,000 runs to his name and has a huge average of 59.34. He makes the perfect number 3 for any team as he has the ability to anchor the batting innings of any team that he is a part of. This makes him our third pick. Ricky Ponting. Ricky Ponting had been a solid batsman for Australia during his time. He has amassed 13,704 runs in his ODI career at an average of 42. He was a big match player and his ability to single-handedly turn matches around with his glorious stroke play makes him our fourth pick. Michael Bevan. Michael Bevan has been a solid batsman for Australia with almost 7,000 runs to his name in his career. He was a very consistent batsman and thus had an average of 53.58. Many times he played crucial innings to take Australia home and has proved to be a brilliant finisher. This makes him our fifth pick. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. The Captain Cool Mahendra Singh Dhoni is one of the most successful captains of this generation. He has been the best wicket-keeping batsman that India has ever had with over 10,000 runs to his name. He is the only captain so far to win all the ICC trophies, and this makes him the captain of our 11 and also our 6th pick. Kapil Dev. It was Kapil Dev who made the sport popular in the country of India. With his brilliant performances with both the bat and the ball, he won India their first ever World Cup, and ever since, there has been no looking back for Team India. He was a genuine wicket taker and a massive striker of the ball that grants him the 7th spot in R11. Brett Lee. Brett Lee has been one of the most feared bowlers in world cricket for the pace at which he bowled back in his day. He picked up 380 wickets in his career at an economy rate of just 4.76. This speaks volumes of this man's skills. He also had the ability to slog the ball down the order, and all this makes him the 8th pick of R11. Glenn McGrath. Glenn McGrath has been considered as one of the greatest bowlers to have ever graced the game of cricket. He was a feared bowler and he had 381 wickets in his ODI career at an average of just 3.88. He was a lethal bowler and had a brilliant line and length. This makes him our 9th pick. Zaheer Khan. Zaheer Khan has been one of the best left-handed pacers that India has ever had. He has bowled under pressure numerous times and delivered every single time when his team expected him to deliver. He had 282 wickets in his ODI career, and he also had the ability to play a decent knock down the order. This makes him our 10th pick. Shane Warne. Shane Warne is regarded as one of the best leg spinners the game has ever seen. He was a genuine match winner for Australia in his time, and he picked 293 wickets in his career. He is known for his deceptive googlies, and he also had the ability to strike the ball a long way down the order and in the death overs. This ability of his to be a match winner with both the bat and the ball makes him our final pick. These are the 11 players who we believe make the best ever 11 between India and Australia. Each of these players are genuine match winners. Who makes it to your all-time ODI 11 between India and Australia? Let us know down below.